Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you step by step on how to register your account on the OpenDoors scholarship website. We will go through the complete process together, starting from the account registration, uploading your documents, and even how to write a strong motivation letter. I will also explain how you can choose the right domain of your application. So applying for the open door scholarship, make sure you watch this video till end because it's going to clear all your doubts. And don't forget, if you still have questions, drop them in the comment below. I will happy to help you. Let's get started. Now click on the apply now button and interface will appear here. Enter your email address in this section and click on the button below. I'm going to apply for a student, so this email is not my email, this is the student email. Okay, as soon as you click on this continue button, an interface will open in which you have to first select your language and then to choose your citizenship. As I selected, I'm applying for a student, so that's why I select uh, the student data. And then you have to uh, select date of birth, first name, last name, and then you have to select a password and also a mobile number and your sex, and then choose a subject which you are going to apply. You can select 2 to 3 subjects and a lot more, but I recommend you that select just 2 or 3 subjects, not more, and then take all these section below and then register and click on the register button. As you click on the registration, this interface will appear. Here you will see options like general information, universities, the percentage, and polls. And first you need to click on the general information. This section contains the same details that you already filled in during the registration process. In the general information section, all the details you filled in during the registration are shown. From here you can also make changes like updating your mobile number, email, or any other information you want to modify. From here you can add subjects and a lot other changes you can make in your profile. As you click on this option, an interface will open where you can select from 1 to 6 universities according to your choices. When you are awarded the scholarship, this section where you will confirm university's presences. Here you can choose from many universities, but remember, you can only select up to 6. I recommend you that you select your universities according to your field and choose the ones that are best for you. Arrange them priority. For example, choose your first priority university first, your second priority as second, your third as third, and so on. When you are awarded the scholarship, it will also be given based on this order, and you will most likely be placed in the university that you selected as your first priority. After selecting your university, don't forget to click the save button to confirm your choice. When you click on the first stage option, go to the portfolio section. Here your selected subject will appear here and you need to fill in the requirements according to the instruction. You can edit your portfolio until 6th November, and after that it will be automatically submitted by November 16. So keep it in mind. Here you can see the subject I selected has appeared and its requirement. All are marked as not filled in. Now we need to fill them. Let me show how to do that. First, you have to click on Education Documents. As soon as you click, you have to select your previous degree that you have already completed. Then you need to select the country, enter the full name of your education institute from where you obtain your previous degree, and then select year of graduation. Finally, you also need to upload a documents related to it, and then click on the save button. Now let's move to the motivational letter section. The motivation letter has a specific pattern, and it you need to write about your personal goals, your professional achievements, the reason of choosing the subject, and the reason of choosing to study in Russia. I will make my next video on the motivation letter where I will explain in detail how to write it, how to make it strong, and how can score maximum point through your motivation letter. Now let's go to the science domain option, which many students ask about how to fill it out. So here I will show you exactly how it can be completed. In the first step, you need to select a science field according to your subject. Choose the category under which your subject falls, and then select the exact subject you want to apply for. For example, if you want to go in a specific subject area, you must choose that accordingly. As I am filling this out, I am selecting medicine as a domain, but should select it based on your own subject and where you want to go. Later, you also need to write about this in your motivation letter. In my next video, I will explain in details how properly write and explain this part in your motivation letter. As you see, I build this out for a student, and this is the correct way to spelling the domain. For each subject you select, you must write a separate motivation letter, choose a separate domain, and upload the required documents separately. The next step is the entrance test, which is based on multiple choice questions. The policy allows you to attempt the test 3 times and highest score will be considered. So I recommend you try all 3 attempts and aim for the best marks. I can't show you the test here because it's against the rules, but remember you can attempt it 3 times. Now let's come to the achievement section. Here, if you have any type of achievement, you need to upload them here. You will see different options here. If your achievement fits into any category, select the category, then write a short description of your achievement and then upload it the related documents. The more achievements you have, whether related to your field or extracurricular activities, the more they will increase your maximum possible score and improve your chances of qualifying for the second stage. In the entrance test section, for each field you have selected, you need to take a separate test. As I mentioned earlier, you can take up to 3 tests, and the one in which you scored the highest will be considered. Each test consists of 45 tasks that must be answered within 60 minutes. So try your best to achieve good. So friends, this was the complete step-by-step process, starting from creating your account, selecting your field and universities, choosing the right domain, filling out the required documents, and finally understanding how the entrance test works. If you follow these tips carefully, you will be on the right track for your open door scholarship application. In my upcoming videos, I will guide you in detail about writing a strong motivation letter and how to maximize your score. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and don't miss the next update. If you have any question, drop them in the comment and I will try to answer each one of them. See you in the next video. Best of luck for your application.